Hey everyone, this is Chad. I just wanted to show you guys, since my toilet is leaking, that a quick fix, no tools, and I'll show you the components inside of this. So I'm going to go ahead, I have a new flapper because that's the most common issue. It should fix it, as long as there's no water on the floor. But initially, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the cover. Just take a look, okay? And then you do want to kind of see if it's tight, and that feels about perfect. A little bit of wiggle, nothing, not rocking too much or not like too tight where it might crack the porcelain. But so what we're gonna do here is, my water line's a little bit high, so I can adjust it here. So just a little tweak. If I go counterclockwise, it's gonna put the float down. Okay, and I'll see where it will refill to. And this is the flush. This is the flush valve. I'm sorry, this is the fill valve, this is the flush valve, and it has the overflow. And this is obviously the handle and the flapper down there. So what we're gonna do, I'd like a little bit of play. That might be a little bit much, so I shoot for like a 1/4 inch. So I'll reference this one to the new one and go a little bit shorter. You don't have to turn off the water, because a lot of times when you do, what will happen is that valve will start leaking and it'll need replaced. So if you want to do it quick, easy, don't mess with the valve. Just go like this. Unclip it. And then note there's different holes. I'm on the 3rd one. It looked pretty vertical. That looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and reference this one. Go a little bit shorter, like I said. I hope you can see that. So I'm just going to hook it down. I'm going to go here, that's exact. I'm going to go down a couple. So a little bit lower, like maybe a 1/4 inch. I think I had a 1/2 inch. So I'm going a 1/4 inch lower. I'm going to hook it. Spin it around, okay, and then go into the slot. Now that leaves this hanging. I've never had a problem, unless it's excessively hanging, but that should be fine. So we're going to go ahead and hook it back up. In the 3rd hole. This helps so you don't drop it. And then just clip them on. And I did want you to see this one's adjustable. It's not chlorine proof or chemical proof. And generally I don't recommend putting any kind of like chlorine tablets in here, because it will eat, at the plastics and everything. It'll eat the rubber and turn your hands black when you touch it. So it's better to go into the bowl for cleaners. And if you see my handle, it's about a 1/4 inch. Just like I said, it's sealed. And then when I push down, there's an adjustment on this one. This one's adjustable. If you can see those numbers, it says, you know, minimum, maximum. So I put it towards the maximum. You can put it lower. And then here's another trick. You just, if you want a more powerful flush, just hold it longer. That's all it takes. So the adjustment essentially just holds it, you know, makes it float up longer. So that's all it does. And what else can I tell you about this? Definitely want to check the toilet bowl to the floor. So I'm taking my hand, make sure it's tight and not rocking. If it's rocking, that can cause problems real quick. So you'd want to there's plastic shims and caulking for that. But anyway, yeah, now my float level's perfect. I don't hear it leaking. I think that was a successful fix. And I'll see you next time for the next DIY video. Thanks for watching.